Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use auto rotate screen on Google Pixel phone. Friends, you want to on guys auto rotate, so friends, how to on and use auto rotate on Google phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, we will on phone setting first of all to use auto rotate screen. After on phone setting, friends scroll it. Friends click on guys Google phone display setting. So friends, we will click on display setting guys. After on display setting, friends, you can see guys your adaptive brightness, brightness level setting, screen timeout. Friends, you want to change. So friends, you can change screen timeout. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys this other display setting. Friends, auto rotate setting. So my first we will on auto rotate. After on guys how to use it. So friends, come on home page and friends first I will on YouTube. So friends, you can see when I use YouTube and guys when I will do this. Friends, you can see screen will rotate automatic on Google phone, and friends we can use this auto rotate setting on Google phone. Friends, you can see same setting है when you will use guys any Play Store app guys we will use. So friends, you can see automatic Play Store rotate. Friends, you can see Google app. So when I will on Google, friends, you can see automatic Google will rotate. So like the guy we can use guys this auto rotate setting on Google Pixel phone, and friends we can use it. So like the we can on and use guys auto rotate setting. Friends, you don't want to use, click on phone setting. Friends, you can see screen rotate automatic. Friends, click on your Google Pixel guys display setting, and guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see last guys auto rotate setting guys tap here off, screen will not rotate. As you can see now you can use guys your YouTube app, any app, screen will not rotate automatic on Google Pixel phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and use Google Pixel guys auto rotate settings. So bye bye guys.